All right, so we've pulled the driver's side valve cover gasket out. Ugh. 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 All right, Carson, grab the new ones. They're in the car. Fun. And our broken fitting might need to address a little further. Passenger side gasket. Gee, I wonder why it leaked. Wow. Incredible. Just poor work. Clean all that up too. Yuck. All right, breathers are in. Valve covers are back in with gaskets that might actually seal because they're not squished all the way out. We're gonna go get something to get this out so we can finish this up today. And what else is it? It's lunchtime, right, Carson? Mm-hmm. Lunchtime. Lunchtime? There are birds in here again.
Lunch. Ooh, eat birds?
Birds?
Yeah.
Hey, well, you're gonna have lunch chicken, so I guess you're gonna be eating birds. All right, so we've drilled. We're gonna chase it with our tap. Everything turns out good. All right, got it all rethreaded and tapped. Carson took the vacuum, got everything cleaned up. Now we're gonna recreate our little T. All right, we've got our, we'll call it the contraption for the vacuum because the factory contraption died a horrible death. So we just had to make something work and it works. So it's not stupid if it works.